Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's look into another Stream API interview question. Convert a list of integers to a list of their squares. So again an easy question where we have to convert the list of integers into its squares. So we are expecting a list of integer back. So we write this and then list dot stream dot map. So map takes a function, and the simple function that we are going to provide this is x into x, so that we get a square, and then we are going to collect it. And we get our answer. So what we need to understand here is why we are using map, and like what are the other functionality that we might come across when we are dealing with Java Stream API. So let's have a look. So I have listed few points that you need to understand, like when we are dealing with map. So the very first one being transformation. As in the program, we saw that we are converting one element into its square. So we are changing the form of it. So similarly, if we have a question where we have to convert a list of strings into the list of the strings length, we know that map will come into the picture and it will be of great help, right? Secondly, immutability. Now, whenever we are using map, a new stream is created. It is not that the original stream is getting modified or so. Okay, so in this way we are totally being in line with the functional programming by preserving the immutability principle. Okay, and so that is what is expected. Thirdly, we see that the code is becoming quite short, because if we were not using like streams and we had to write that external loop, we would have added 4 5 more lines of code, but here our work is done in 3 or 2 lines of code, right? Then we have pipeline processing. Now with map, we can chain multiple operations, and we will come across those kind of programs for sure, and we will see how map is helpful with complex data processing. And lastly, it helps a lot with parallel processing, and we will see how it is of great help in when we are dealing with large data sets. Okay, so that is all for this video, and hoping you understood the concept and also the program, which was a fairly simple one. Thank you so much for watching again, and let's catch up in the next video.